Attention snowmobilers. Here is the perfect up-north retreat or year-round home with a large 2-car garage. Home is located just around the corner from Big Star Lake and down the road from the snowmobile trail system and Nataka Bar and Grill. Home is set up for year-round enjoyment and is in a great location for year-round recreation. Recent upgrades included a 4-inch well, roof, windows, insulation and electric. The home features a nice open layout and is tastefully decorated with knotty pine. The large oversized 2-car garage offers a wood stove to thaw out the machines and even a heated changing room to store the riding gear. There is also a separate hot tub building to rest and relax after a long day of riding. This home is just 10 minutes southwest of M37 and US 10 intersection in Baldwin. Seller will consider selling all furnishing to make this a turnkey purchase. Call Team Kelly to view this home and make an offer.